I know it's kind of cold and you know it's not the weather for it, but I was in my garage the other day and I got the motorcycle out and I fired it up and it started. But I had like flat spots in the tire as I was driving down the road. It was doing like this. But also while I was in there, I found my surfboard. So let's do a surfing song. What do you say? Cross on the drums. Now Elliot, this song you can see all the instruments play. I know you're a guitar player, but maybe you want to be a drummer. Or maybe you want to be a rhythm player. It takes it all. Maybe you want to be a singer. Right. what are you going to be? What are you going to be? You got to tell us right now. What do you want to be?
Bassist.
A bassist. Way to go, Arms. You got the kid wanting to be a bassist now.
It's all about the bass.
Sorry, James. No rhythm or lead guitar players there. He wants to be a bassist.